from Alpare. Gusto niyo ba ng juice? Yan, galing kay Misuto yan ha. Fresh na fresh. May laway pa niya. Gusto niyo ha? Wag na lang. Sige. Bye. I'm waiting for you in the air.
Okay, cosplayer number 5, Elmer Scott Fernandez as Andrew Sabuza from Naruto. Eto, what a big sword you have. I find it so expensive. Number 6, Carla Marie Catizon as Inquisitor Soldier of Trinity Blood.
I shall destroy all heretics in the name of God.
Cosplayer number 7, Army Santana as Asuka Tsukishiro of Raijino.
Kami lahat ay walang kamandag! Raijino!
Alright! Now we got cosplayer number 8, Karen Katz as Fujio Katsuki of Get Backer.
Oh my god.
Okay. Now we got cosplayer number 9, Catherine K as Toshiko Uryu of Get Backer. Okay, now we got cosplayer number 10, Leia Mandani as Kyosuke of Gory Lolly. Oh my god, that's so lolly.
私が洋介だったり、シケメインのって言うのすられる。少年の君、私が運が一つのチャンス与えよう。お願いします。
That's a very dark. Pachikoy! Now we got cosplay number 11, Crisea Leveri as Samo of Inuyasha! Oh my god, that's so stiff. Yeah, she always likes to have a big boomerang. Joan Miyagi at Kaname Chidori of Full Metal Panic.
Ready to move.
Pachikoy!
wear the shoes also.
Wala ka ng spam.
Walang huli sa aking birthday.
Huh?
Walang huli mga tao.
Now,
Seriously.
bawal. Now we got cosplayer number 13, Maria Berlin. What? Magina Robin from Witch Hunter Robin.
Kukuha na lang ako ng karapat dapat sabi ni Teso.
Go that side.
Okay.
Over
Cosplayer
that
number
side.
14,
Pwede ba sa
Janelle Garcia at Kylie from Kingdom Hearts.
Wherever you go, I'll always be with you.
Now we got cosplayer number 15, Saitenshi Legaspi, Rojas from Kingdom Hearts 2. Come in, it's Roxas. Reminders, cosplayers, make sure to harap tayo sa judges natin, sa judges panel natin for you to have a very good and hard race. Okay, now, cosplayer number 16, David Amar at Akatsuki of Naruto. Cosplayer number 17, Christy Dosado at Koenma or Jericho from Yu Yu Hakusho.
Kaya mga mortal, huwag kayong mag-alala. Bumalik ka kayo mga detective. Ang problema lang, pinagbakasyon ko sila.
Okay. Cosplayer number 18. Cosplayer number 18, Kim Garcia, Edward Elric from Full Metal Panic.
Alchemist!
Ay! Someone you know!
Hindi na naabot ang microphone, so kailangan niya mag-stick. Cheating the man. Now, cosplayer number 19, Catherine Janelle De Jesus at Miyobi from the manga Alinchino.